Example 1 for design of wastewater. Let's take the questions. A new truck sewer is to be designed for 25 square km that, when fully developed, will include 60% residential, 30% commercial, and 10% industrial development. The residential area will consist of 40% large lots of 6 persons per hectare, 55% small single lots of 75% per hectare, and 5% multi-story apartments of 2,500 persons per hectare. The design average wastewater flow rate are 300 liters per day per person for large and single lots, 200 liters per day per person for apartments, 25,000 liters per day per hectare for commercial area, and 40,000 liters per day per hectare for industrial areas. Infiltration and inflow is 1,000 liters per day per hectare for the entire area. It is anticipated that when the new truck sewer is first installed, the average flow will be 50% of the flow when the city is fully developed. Estimate the maximum and minimum flow rates to be handled by the truck sewer. So guys, we have to estimate the maximum and minimum flow rate to be handled by this truck sewer that is to be designed. And we have given the areas of the land. So let's start. Solution. So we are given the areas of the land. To be 25 kilometer square. We'll convert this to hectares. We have 2,500 hectares. So for residential, is 60% of the area of the land, which is 1,500 hectares. Then for commercial is 30% of this area, which is 750 hectares. And for industrial, development, we have 10%, which is 250 hectares. So let's start with the residential. Which is 1,500 hectares. So for residential, so the residential, it was stated that the residential area will consist of 40% large lot. So we have large lot, %, 6, so So 40% of 1,500 is going to give us 600 hectares. So we are giving the consist of what, 6% per hectare. 6. So large load is going to consist of 40%, 3,600 person. When we have the small, we have small single family. It's 55%. This is 55% of the 1,500. The land area of the residential is 825 hectares. Then we are given the numbers of then we are given the numbers of people per hectares, which is 75. Person per hectares. $61,875 person. And we have multi-story. I think the working space is too small, so please you can manage with me. Multi-story apartment. Multi-story have 5%. So 5% of 1,500 acres is going to give us 75 hectares multiplied by, we are given the numbers of persons per hectares to be 2,500. 2,500 person per hectare. 187,500 person. So we've know the numbers of people at the large lot and at the single family lot and at the multi-story apartment. All we are still on residential. So moving to the designed average wastewater flow rate. Design average wastewater flow rate. So what is the design flow rate for the single for residential? I think we have, it was stated that 300 liters per day per person for large lot and single family lot. So we have 300 liters per day per person. This one is for large and single lot. So for large and single lot, how many person do we have for large? For large large lot, we have 3,600 person. So 3,600 person multiplied by 300 liter per day per person. So this one we have meter cube to 1,000 liters. Liters we cancel liters, person we cancel person. So we have the flow rate to be 3,600 times 300 divided by 1,000, and that is 1080 meter cubed per day. So in seconds is going to be this divided by 3,600, which is 0.0125 meter cube per seconds. So for single lot, how many person you have? We have 61,870. 61,875 person. I think I'm correct. Yeah. So 61,875 person multiplied by what is the I think they said is we are giving 300 liters per day per person for large lot and single family, so we still use 300 liters per day per person times 1 meter cube liters times 61857 times 300 divided by 1,000. Okay, 18562.5 meter cube per day. So convert to seconds divided by 86,400. It's going to be 0.215 meter cube per seconds. So for multi-story, we have 187,500 person. Is equal to 187,500 person multiplied by the flow rate for multi-story is 200 liters per day per person for multi-story apartment. So 200 liters per day per person. It's 7 times 500 times 200 divided by 1000. That will give us 375 100 meter cube per day, and divided by 86,400 seconds is going to give us 0.434 meter cube per seconds. So this for residential, the total flow will equals to 0. The flow for the first flow, what is it, 0.0125 plus 0.21, sorry, 0.215 plus the last flow, which is 0.434, is going to give us 0.6615 meter cube per seconds. So this is for residential. This is the flow rate. Then we move to commercial. Commercial have 750 acres. That's the area. 750 acres. So 750 acres multiplied by what is where is it? So for commercials, we have 25,000 liters per day per acres. We are giving 25,000 liters per day acres. It should give us 0.217 meter cube per seconds. So that's the flow for commercial. For industry, $250. $40,000. Okay, this cancel this cancel this. Let's cancel this. We have 250 times 40,000 divided by this, so 0.217 meter cube per seconds. So the total design flow (0.6 for residential, 6615 plus 0.217 plus 0. Sorry, this is 0.6. Is 0.116 meter cube per seconds. So please plus this give us 0.995 meter cube per seconds. So for infiltration and inflow, infiltration and inflow, to the infiltration is for the total area. It is 2,500 times what is the flow rate, 1,000 liters per day per acres, 1,000 liters per day per acres times 1 meter cube make 1 liters times 1 day make 864 seconds. This one can see this cancel this cancel this. 2,500 times 1,000 divided by 1,000 divided by this is going to give us 0.029 meter cube per seconds. So at the beginning, it was stated that it is anticipated that when the new truck sewer is first installed, the average flow will be 50% of the flow when the city is fully developed. So the average flow at the beginning is equals to 0. What is the total flow? 0.995 times 50%. So this is going to give us 0.498 meter per seconds. So that is the average flow at the beginning.